Dapat ganito opening araw-araw, hindi mga matatanda kasama ko dito. Hello! Hello, they're from Japan. They call themselves the Global Style. Yes. All right, welcome to the Philippines. Welcome to Wawawin and GMA7. All right, my friend, go. Japanese, on that side. Okay, Japanese. Puti ah. Okay, your name?
My name is Mito.
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 Oh, dinalo ho tayo dito. Mito, you're from Japan. Is it,
Japanese ne.
Japanese name. Mito.
Nihonjin.
日本人で。
あなた。
日本人。
your name is
Yes.
Kaya. Kaya?
Mito.
Kaya Mito. Sabi, Pilipina to! Kaya Mito! Alright. Okay, your name is?
Candy.
Candy. Oh, Candy. Filipina, Japanese. Your mother is Filipina.
Yes.
Okay, you were born in Japan or here?
Japan.
Marunong ka magtagalog?
Okay lang.
Dapat lang, ha? I-English mo pa ako. Bumati ka.
Okay lang.
Bumati ka ng Tagalog.
Hello po! Mahal ko kayo!
Oh. Your name is?
I'm Jasmine.
Pilipina ang nanay mo. Hapon ang father mo, Japanese. Pero you speak Tagalog? Hindi.
Konti lang po.
Oh, yeah? Konti lang. Konti lang, okay.
Konti lang
Oh, you say hello in Japanese and in Filipino. Ang Filipino muna. Kamusta ka?
Tagalog.
Hindi Tagalog. English, Filipino eh. Say hello. Hello in Tagalog.
Hello! Mabuhay!
Alright. In Japanese.
Konnichiwa! Konnichiwa!
Kakatawa, ano para tayong, di ba sikat ngayon mga Korean, K-pop. Dapat may Japanese, ba? They should call themselves K-pop, J-pop. Japan eh. J-pop, di ba? Ito ang tunay. May boyfriend ba to? Wala. No boyfriend? You have boyfriend?
No.
No boyfriend?
Yes.
Me, no boyfriend.
Oh.
Your name is?
Kazuki.
Kazuki. Oh, how are you? I speak English?
I found. Yeah, very
Ah,
enjoy.
okay. Very nice, huh? Japanese?
Yeah, no, Chinese half. My mother is Chinese.
Chinese? Hap? Siomai?
Hap.
Siopaw? Siomai wasabi? Okay. Your mother is?
Chinese.
Your father is?
Japanese.
Oh. So, Chinese, Japanese. Panis. Oh, where you from?
I am from America.
America?
Yeah.
Oh, say hello.
I'm half American, half Indian.
Half American?
Half Indian.
Why?
Amphibian.
Oh, Japanese. Talk to them in Japanese. Okay, oh. Yeah.
皆さんはね、すごいね。
すごい
ね
かわいい。
すごいね。unggoy ne. Ha?
Ne.
Oo.
Eto ne. Kawaii.
Kawaii.
Kawaii sa mga tao, kawaii. Kawaii will meaning maganda.
Cinderella.
Ganda.
Cinderella.
Cinderella?
Cinderella.
Oh. Cinderella ang unggoy. You have a boyfriend?
No.
No?
No.
Why? Pretty.
I don't
Chinese
know.
boyfriend? Japanese?
No.
You want Filipino boyfriend?
Oh, yeah. yeah.
Huh? You want?
Yeah.
How old are you, if you don't mind?
23.
Diyos ko po, 56 na ako. Apo ko na lang to. Pero pwede pa. Alright? Okay, thank you very much for coming. Thank you.